What does it take to compete in a world where beauty is defined by the glamour of perfection? Hi everyone, I am Andrea Endiso and I will be your host for today's episode of Straight from the Expert.
Binibini 20 is Catriona Gray. Nazimi Granado.
Kagandahan Flores started over 30 years ago. When we started, it was what we call yung parang backyard. So we started our training sa garage namin. Our first venture was when we fielded a candidate in our town's beauty pageant. We went national. We fielded our candidates to a national pageant which was Binibining Pilipinas 1996. So training camps hone the potentials of our queens. That's why they shine in international pageants.
With us today is a handful of beauties because today tuturuan sila ni Tito Rog ng proper pasarela. But before anything else, Tito Rog, ano nga ba ang pasarela?
Well, pasarela yung tinatawag natin na catwalk. It's the walk that you do on stage. We have the 4 Ps. First, the basic is the posture. Then from the posture, it develops into a queenly poise. And then we go to the pasarela and the walk. Of course, the projection, the communication part of your walk. The hard work begins with the posture exercises. It stages din siya. First stage, as you could see, is for the neck. Flexibility of the neck. Bakit siya importante? Because you don't just look at one point, you move your gaze from one side to the other side para reynang-reyna ang galaw. Second is the back. So we have the back exercises. Kasi yung back natin connotes or nagpapakita siya ng how confident you are. Kasi pag hindi ka confident, nagsaslam ka. Next would be for our legs. In pageantry, we know how to balance our weight in just one leg. Pag nagta-transition tayo ng steps or even poses. After the posture exercises, guaranteed na yan na nakatayo ka pa lang, may commanding presence ka na. Lalagyan naman natin ng movement para magkaroon ka na ng beauty queen voice. Sa simpleng pose, pag nagta-transition tayo, gumagalaw, dapat queenly ang ating moves. Queenly ang galaw natin mga kamay, ang ating mga steps. One of the notable queens from Kagandahan Flores, Lara Kigaman, 2005, Bea Rose Santiago, 2013. Karen Galman, the very first Filipina Miss Intercontinental. Samantha Bernardo, first runner-up during that year in 2020 in Miss Grand International. 2 Miss Globe winners, Maricar Balagtas in 2001 and Maureen Montaigne in 2021. For the third, it's the pasarela. Para ba semento yung brand mo, who you are, your personality, dyan papasok ang projection.
It comes together.
Dapat, for you to be able to own your walk. Parang natatandaan ko, alam mo na yan. So, pwede mo bang ipakita sa aming lahat?
Host out, beauty queen in.
Okay?
1, 2, 3, down, and go.
O, diba? Pwede na ba yun, Tito?
So, nakita nyo kanina sa performance ni Andrea, nirelieve lang niya yung moments niya sa stage nung last pageant niya. Ando ng techniques sa steps, sa turns, at syempre, napaka-expressive din ng face niya. Now, gagawin na ng ating mga trainees ang third and fourth, which is the actual pasarela and of course, the projection. Aside from the physical characteristics that made them win was their drive and determination to really excel and win over challenges in their pageantry journey, in their international pageants. So training camps hone the potentials of our queens.
Now that we are done with the pasarela, we are moving on to one of the most important parts of a pageant. Of course, alam natin yan, ang hair and makeup. Marami tayong mga looks dyan, pero ano nga ba ang perfect when it comes to pageantry?
Sa isang makeup application, it's very important na mag-start tayo for a good prep. I-prep muna natin ang skin, especially kung ang event po natin ay daylight. Ang pinagkaiba po kasi ng everyday makeup sa stage makeup, marami pong ilaw. And sa everyday makeup naman po, it's like the normal sunlight na magagamit natin, and at the same time ay kaya din gawin ng mga mismong beauty queens. Beauty queens naman po ay madali din po silang matuto when it comes to hair and makeup kasi kailangan po talaga, it's required for them to know how to apply their own makeup, especially sa mga everyday events kasi not all the time magkakaroon po ng glam team. Sa mga morena na kagaya ni Joanna, ang mga color po na specific po na ginagamit namin sa day makeup is more darker po pagdating sa mga mestiza. Ang mga darker color po sa isang morena ay lighter na po yun sa kanila. So here's the final look. Ito po ang aking take sa everyday makeup look for a pageant beauty queen.
As a beauty queen, we meet so many different types of people, and so it's important to be able to carry different types of look. And the look that I have on today is perfect for an everyday. It makes me feel confident and just ready to take on the day as a beauty queen.
Ita-transition natin siya into glam makeup.
In the next episode of Straight from the Expert, we will reveal the final makeup look at syempre ang pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat, the most thrilling part of the pageant, the Q&A portion.